Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can perform the operation like search the record. So we will use this one sidebar input text field and also button to perform the operation like search the record, right? So I go to my code editor and I have opened sidebar.php and index.php file, right? Inside sidebar.php have a form, this one, input group text and form control and pattern. So first thing you need to write form tag and cut the closing form tag and paste after the closing div. Write the method post and leave the action this time. The next thing you need to assign the names search, and also you need to assign the name inside the button tag. Once you do that, then you need to check that inside the sidebar I'm going to use if set $post btn_search, and when user click on the button search, then comment type body and display this one message, right? Simple. Let's check it now. As you can see, I am able to see working text has been appeared. It means this function, this statement working fine. Now the next thing you need to write the search variable and get the data from input text field. Search, this is the input text field name here. Once you get the data inside the search variable, then you need to write query. The query is select static from your table name. My table name is a post. I will use a post tag to perform the search operation. Anyone user will enter anything else inside input text field, we will match the text with our post tag column, right? So I'm going to use where post_text. this is a column name. I'm going to show with you this one. Match the record inside our post_tag column like single quotations percentage, and inside percentage you need to write the variable name search. Then write the query, make a variable and write the queries MySQL query, pass to parameter connection and SQL variable, right? Then the next thing you need to create a file search.php. Inside search.php you need to copy the complete index.php file code and paste it. Close the index.php file, and then you need to go on side_bar.php, and inside the action you need to write the search.php file name, right? Then the next thing you need to cut this one code and also this one PHP basic syntax. You need to go on search.php and paste on here. Remove this one statements like query and data and paste here, right? This is your if statement, and close cut the closing split bracket of the if statement. Just a minute. This is a closing if statement. This is a basically while loop statement, right? Split bracket, closing split bracket. You need to paste the if closing split bracket, this one, and then use else statement. If the record not found, then I'm gonna display the message and use this simple statement, record not found, right? So I think everything is perfect. We need to check that, but one more thing we need to do is we need to copy that and paste on here. Save that Let's check it now. This time I think it should be work. I'm gonna use something. Okay, I can't see the record, but I use WordPress. As you can see, I'm able to see WordPress text has been appeared. Only post. I use marketing, hit enter, single post has been appeared, and this is a complete URL, cms search.php. But I use another text. I can't see that record not found. So we need to work on that. This is a if statement, and this is okay, just a minute. I think this is a while loop, and this is a if statement. If is set. Okay, I'll leave this one just a minute. I'll leave this one, and this is a if body, right? Okay, we need to do one more thing. I use if mysqli num rows and pass the result variable, use script bracket, right? And cut the closing script bracket, right? And you need to paste on, just a minute first. This is a while loop, and this is the next one, and this is the last one, if statement. This one we need to use else statement on here. This is a while loop, this is a if statement, this one, and inside that you need to write equal statement and write the h2 closing tag record not found. I think it should be work. Okay, perfect. As you can see, record not found, so I'm gonna use cms something record not found. I'm gonna use WordPress. As you can see, WordPress, and this is our complete URL. I'm gonna open that, but this is basically demo link right after the search bar. So I think I need to work on that, but this time I just show you how you can perform the operation like search the record. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can display those categories inside our blog category sidebar. So first thing, you need to open your code editor and close the search bar, and this is the basic. First I'm gonna change this one to 12, and I'm gonna leave this one, right? Basically I want to display the completely single, this one, right? Complete. Now the next thing, you need to go on where index.php file, and just a minute, I check that where I displayed navbar. Okay, close this one and find the navbar, copy this one, simple statement, select static from categories, this one key, copy that, go to sidebar and close the complete this one statement, paste here, write the basic syntax of PHP and closing PHP, right? But I want to first I check that, save that, let's refresh that it's working or not. As you can see, very simple. Web development, web designing, digital marketing, blogging, right? So this is a CMS system, sidebar categories, search bar, post, and many other things available on here. So this video is too short. In the next video I'm going to teach with you how you can reuse your admin code like this one. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach with you how you can reuse your admin panel code. First I'm going to show with you the admin. This is our admin panel. So we need to reuse our code inside our admin panel. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor, close the all files and also folder. You need to go on admin folder. Inside your admin folder you need to create another folder, includes. Inside the include folder you need to create 3 files: header.php, footer.php, and also nav.php. Then you need to go on index.php file and cut the head section code, go to header.php and paste the code, save that, and go to index.php file, write the basic syntax of PHP and write the required ones, includes header.php. I think it should be work fine. So first thing, we need to save that and let's check it now it's working or not. Just a minute, it's loading. What happened? This is the loading time. Okay, now the next thing, we need to cut the navigation code, right? Navigation code, I think I need to this one. Where this one. Cut that, save that, and go to nav.php, paste here, save that, go to index.php file and paste navigation code. Require underscore ones. I need to use includes nav.php. I need to remove this one, so I think header.php. Just a minute, I need to check that. I use dot sign dot, and after that, perfect. As you can see, our menus, our complete admin panel, but I'm gonna change something, blank, and this is our author. I'm gonna use author this one, sir. And one more thing we need to do, we need to page refer, fluid container. I cut this one, go to footer.php, paste it, and go to index.php file, right? This is our index.php, and we'll use require once dot includes footer.php, right? I think I need to go on footer.php and I need to cut this one and go to there, paste on it, because sometime I will use a while loop or and other things to display the data, right? So I refer that author. Right, now the next thing, we need to display the link on here. I'm gonna click on the link, then I want to redirect with my home page, like this one page, right? This one. So where I go to nav.php, this is drop down menu, where I go to top of the bottom, SP admin, this is right side, top navigation bar, John Simon, and this is a complete li. After this li, I'm gonna create li again. I'm gonna use view site, right? But I think I need to ref admin. This is my page name. Paste the code, sir. For that, just a minute, I'll repair that. Basically, it's getting a lot of time, but I can't see the, just a minute, I can't see this one statement, so I think I need to check that. SP admin, top menus, and John Smith, and this is a div, this is a media div, this is a link, this is a ally. Okay, this is a URL. I'm gonna paste on here, just check that it's here or not. Perfect. I'm gonna click on that. I redirect with the another page, but I want to redirect with 2 times // index.php. So for that, go back, click to view site. I save that, and for that, click on that. As you can see, I have redirected with index.php file. It means front of the site. I go back, this is my link, redirect with another page. Right now, the next thing we need to go on index.php file. This is the admin panel site, but I go to another site like no, I'll leave other links. I'm going to show with you very simple way. I go to index.php, not index.php, I go to nav.php, this one, and this is our categories have been appeared on the top of the page. So I'm going to create a lit tag and use ref, and then I need to close this one, right? So admin, so that I think it should be displayed. I'm going to click on that. Perfect. I'm going to click on that. Perfect. I don't need to use again and again like admin and CMS this one time. So we have made the links like admin to redirect with the admin panel. I'm going to click on the view site. I have redirected with another page like my front end site. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach with you how you can clean the admin panel code and also how you can change the links. So first thing, we need to go on our code editor and go to admin panel and go to a nav.php file, right? So first thing, we need to remove some code. Basically, this is our CMS admin panel, so, and refer that, right? And this view site, and this is a bell icon name alert, so we don't need that. we just leave this one, and I need to remove this one also. So where is view site, John Smith? I think first I need to archive. I'll preview message, message, read all messages. I think cut that first. I cut that and check that. We have successfully removed the basically email, right? So we need to also remove the inbox setting. We just leave the profile and log out. So I don't need this one. Also basically this is the alert section. Cut that and refer that, right? View site John and profile inbox setting, and we need to set up that profile inbox setting. We need to remove inbox setting. Cut that. We'll leave the profile and log out. Refer that, click on that, profile logout, right? Now let's work on the left section. So first thing we need to use dashboard, and now I leave this one, and I don't need the chart, table, form. Remove this one, save that and prefer that, right? This is a bootstrap element, but dashboard I use categories, right? And refer that, categories, and then this is a comment, comment, and this will be where is users. I'm gonna change that users, right? And one more thing we need to do, I just copy the drop down code and paste after the dashboard, right? And we need to change the data targets to post, and I need to use post. The first drop down menu is view all posts, and second one is add new post. Save and refer that, right? View all post, add new post, category, comment, user, and last one be profile, right? I think profile, comment, not here. This one will be profile. I'm gonna change that profile. So I'll refer that, and I'm gonna change the FA. First I check that profile font always some code. Just a minute, I check that, guys. If I'm gonna use users, I think users will be user. I use user and refresh that. Perfect, right? So this is our post, categories, comment, users, profile, and this last one I'll leave that, right? And our complete code has been managed, and we have successfully changed the links inside our admin panel. So we will be able to use to display the dynamically data on our admin panel, and we will able to perform the operations like insert, update, delete inside our admin panel. Once you do that, then you will be able to see everything inside your front-end website like this one. So you will handle this one website using admin panel. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can display the categories inside our category page and how you can add the category using admin panel, right? So this is our category demo link. First we need to create a page and we need to link up the categories page. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and go to admin panel, and you need to create a file, categories.php, right? Then you need to copy the complete code which available inside our index.php page and paste on here. Save that. Now the next thing, you need to go on index.php page and then you need to find the category. No, you need to go on includes folder and nav.php. Inside nav.php have a link like this one, bootstrap element.html. you need to enter your page name. I used colon dot backslash sign and categories.php, right? This one page name, dot means one folder back, right? This okay, the nav bar available inside our include folder, so I'm gonna leave the include folder and outside the include folder have a categories.php. so first thing, you need to save that and let's check it now it's working or not. Now the next thing, we need to also use something inside our category.php page. I'm gonna use h2 category. So after that, and I'm going to click on categories. As you can see, this is a categories.php page and this is our categories. I'm going to use category. Remove this one, and one more thing we need to do, we need to remove those icons and text. So this is a OL. I'm going to remove this one, save that, and after that I need to also remove this one inside our index.php page. This is the admin panel page. Remember that I'm gonna use dashboard. I remove this one, CMS admin. Okay, just a minute. What happened? Okay, I need to set up that later. This time I just use this way. Right, this is the admin panel and this is the author and this is the category. Inside our category page we will use PHP and also HTML code to display the input text field, form, and also in the right side we will display the category, right? So let's work on that. So this is call LG6 12. This is a whole size. After this one I'm going to use div class call LG6 means large screen 6 column, size of the column 6. Inside that I'm going to use form and leave the action, use method post. Inside that I'm going to use input text field, name is a category, and placeholder I'm going to use category, and also I'm going to use span tag. I'm going to use label tag, label add new category, right? And also we need to use class form control Let's save that. And one more thing we need to do, we need to use margin bottom 2. I want to make a space between button and I'm going to use add. I'm going to use add class btn success, and type I use submit. I'm going to use type is button, right? And what I use btn category. Let's check it now. Where is it? Is okay, the whole thing available inside our index.php. We need to cut that and close this one, index.php, paste on this one page, right? This is the categories.php page. We need to paste that, right? This is a row div, right? This is row, inside row div you need to use that, right? As you can see, add new category, and this is a pattern. We need to set up that. Don't worry, margin. Okay, I think it should be displayed perfect. Not perfect. Use margin bottom 2. Use type submit. I think I need to check that where it is problem. Okay, I use class margin top 2, not margin padding top. Okay, I think I need to check that, but don't worry, this is a design pattern. I use it category, right? This is our button. Okay, inside right side we will display the, and I use also command add new category, right? This is a category div and this is a closing category div, right? This is, we need to make also same div class call lg6. Inside that we need to create a table class table stripped. I'm gonna use border, right? Inside that you need to write tr means table row, th means table heading. I'm gonna use category id, copy that, paste a category name, right? Those are our headings. We need to create another tr and td. For example, I'm gonna use one category is I'm gonna use web designing. This is my static data, right? Save that, and for that, as you can see, category id, category name, and those are fields. Inside this section, this one section, we will display the database categories, right? Inside this one section. So first thing, we need to use a database file. This one file available inside includes folder. The include folder available our main folder, right? Our CMS folder, but I want to use the includes DB folder inside my admin panel, this one. So what I'm gonna do here, I just find the includes folder and header.php, which available inside our admin panel. This is the admin panel. Inside admin panel have an include folder. You need to open header.php page. Inside that you just need to use require once dot back time and go to include folder and find the db. I think this is not include. To time back and where this one db.php to temp back, and this. Okay, I have entered the same names, but don't worry, I will check that. I'll check that inside our category.php, and I'm gonna use this one where I check that. Okay, I used on here. If con connected, right? Inside category page have a hero.php page, as you can see. So we have entered the db.php file inside our hero.php page. So I'm gonna check that it's working or not. I think I need to check that where I have entered categories. Just a minute. Categories. I'm gonna copy that and paste on here. I'll just check that connected. As you can see, we are able to see connected. If the data doesn't come into database, I'll leave that, and after that, as you can see. So I'll leave this one statement inside our hero.php page, and I'm gonna remove this one, and we need to create a while loop, right? So where I use while loop, first you need to write basic syntax of PHP. Use SQL, select static from categories, his name categories. I need to check that. Localhost /phpMyAdmin. We need to check that categories, and make a result variable MySQL query. Pass two parameter. First one is connection, second one is a SQL variable. Then you need to write while loop and make a variable, right? And call MySQL fetch associate. You need to pass the result variable, right? Use the curly brackets, and inside this curly bracket, first I'm gonna cut this one, close the PHP tag, right, and paste on here. I need to close this one. I want to use loop basic syntax of PHP on here. We need to use PHP basic syntax, and we need to cut that and paste on here, right? This is a complete section. Inside that first section, I'm going to use basic syntax of PHP and use echo a row variable and the category column name CMS. I'm going to check that categories. This is a table name. Inside table name here I think two columns. Yes, cat ID. So we need to assign the cat ID. This is the first column. Copy that, paste here, and second column name is cat title. I need to change that title. This is the categories. Table name is categories. Perfect. I think it should be display the data. As you can see, guys, 1 2 3 4, and those are categories, and this is our input text field. This is very simple and short way to add the category, but we will display the we will add this category feature on the next video. This time you need to know how you can display the page inside our categories.php page, and how you can display input text field and also table. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can add the category inside our database using admin panel. I have changed the some code which available the inside our code editor. I'm going to show with you. I changed something here, like form group. I have made 2 divs, form group, and inside our form group have a fun input text field and add new category label tag, and another button have a basically form group and button tag, right? Now let's work on that. So first I'm going to check that if inside this page category.php, remember that I use if set _post, and when user click on this one button, then come into the body, and I'm going to check that it's working, right? So that, and let's check it now. It's working, right, as you can see, but I want to cut that, and I'm gonna display this one inside our call LG6 inside font tag, right, inside this statement. First you need to get the data from input text field, so I'm gonna use get. This is my get variable, local variable, and use $post. Inside the post you need to copy the category name, paste here, then you need to write the query. The query is insert into category, I think category or categories, and you need to select the column get title values parentheses single quotation, and pass the add category variable. Cut, right? Insert into your table name and the column name and values and the basically variable name add get, right? Then the next thing you need to write the result. I use MySQL query, pass 2 parameter connection and query variable, right? Now another thing, I'm gonna use another statement. I cut that if I use $post. I'll use security to check the input field. I get the data from this input text field using a name category equal to empty, then come into the if body and display the echo. I'm gonna use p close, and I'm gonna use class alert danger, right? And I'm gonna use single quotation, right? Single. Inside this section I'm gonna use please pull in the please enter category, right? Otherwise come into the else statement and paste the code with this one, right? I think it should be working fine. I'll leave this one, and first I'll check that please enter category. I use please enter category. I'm gonna use web designing, web development, digital marketing, blogging, and I'm gonna use source code. Right, as you can see, source code category has been appeared inside our table. Let's check it now in the database. Source code category has been appeared, right? I also checked that inside our Formulate page, as you can see, right? Now let's talk about how we can delete the category, right? So where is the table? This one table. First I need to check that I'm gonna use 50%. I change the styling to assign the width on each column, 50, 20, 50, and I'm gonna create two more columns, one more column, th. I'm gonna use operations, and I'm gonna use style with 30%, right? So let's check it now. Operation, right? And inside our operation I'm gonna use th. Perfect. Okay, inside a while loop I'll create a two divs, I mean two TDs. The first one is I'm gonna use a ref. I use page name. I'm gonna use category PHP, and we need to create a get variable that will help you to get the particular ID that will help you to perform the operation like delete the record and update the record. So we need to assign the get variable name. I'm going to use del and assign the value basic syntax of PHP. This one, copy this one and paste on here. Save that, and I think it should be display. It doesn't display, but don't worry, we need to use del. I checked that the span tag font awesome icon working or not, so I use those icons. Span class fa delete. No, crash, I think crash. I think it should display. Perfect, as you can see guys, right? But I want to display this one inside the button tag, so I will assign the class inside our link tag btn danger. So I think it should be display button. Perfect, as you can see guys, right? Now the next thing we need to also create the same type of this one div, and this one is updated to, I'm going to use edit, and I'm going to use success. I just change the get variable name, like I use update. Save and refer that. Perfect, as you can see. So we need to set up the design pattern, so I'm going to use call span 2. I want to split the two columns, right? Edit, I'm going to delete that. Bunch of times I have a source code, but don't worry, I have clicked on the first one link. As you can see, this is our page name and this is our del, and this is the link, I mean a particular ID. I'm going to click on second one. As you can see, I refer that why I seen the category and source code bunch of times. refresh that, just a minute, refresh that. I click on categories. Okay, don't worry, we will delete the record. So let's delete the record. So first I check that this is called okay, outside of this div you can write anywhere PHP code, but I will manage that. I use basic syntax of PHP. No, I will write the PHP tag inside here, right? I will also use delete the record, delete the category record. First I use if is set _get. This get variable is active, then come into the if body, and we need to get the data, get the particular ID, and assign the ID inside our variable. Get del. Once you get the ID and assign the ID inside our variable, then you will use query. So query is delete from categories where cat ID equal to this one variable. This is the first column, name cat ID. You need to match this one ID with your database column name IDs. Then you need to write the variable MySQL query, pass two parameter con and query SQL variable, right? Once everything is perfect, then I'm gonna use if result variable is active, then come into the if body, and I'm gonna just use a header location categories.php page. Once the record has been deleted, so I want to redirect with the same page without refreshing a page, so I think it should be working one. So I'm gonna delete this one. Can't modify from here. Okay, so you need to go on the admin panel, include folder. Inside include folder you need to go on header.php page. You need to write the PHP built-in function ob_start. This function will help you to redirect the user or redirect anything else, and also this function will help you to output buffering, right? So I think it should be delete the record. As you can see, the last one record has been deleted. I'm gonna delete the last one also. As you can see, last one record has been deleted, right? So let's check it now in the database, right? I think everything is clear, very simple. Just leave this one, and let's talk about how we can update the record. But I think this video is too long. In the next video I'm going to teach you how you can get the particular ID inside our input text field and how you can update the record. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.